Good morning. I am in a proper dress because I am a teacher today. Magtuturo ako ng Espanyol. Spanish made simple. Kaya dapat pag teacher ka or professor ka, dapat ganito ang pandadabit mo para hindi masyado disturbed sa mga students mo. Because I was once an associate professor in college for 15 years. I was teaching languages, English, and Spanish. Ngayon, retired na ako at my age. Magtuturo ako Facebook post, my videos of teaching Spanish made simple because it can help people